Hey, what's going on, everybody? Christopher Jackson here, CJack13 on Instagram. Today, I want to show you how you can identify a late day run, okay? The second part of the day run between maybe 1:30 and 4 o'clock, a nice run that you can make a lot of money from. I made a lot of money from just identifying this particular play, okay? And it all starts with understanding the story of the market. You hear me all the time speaking and saying you have to understand the story of the market. Once you understand the story of the market, you will see that these particular things happen quite often, okay? And if you identify this, you will be able to capitalize on that late evening push in the stock market that can generate you 500, 600, 700 to thousands of dollars a day, depending on how much you invest in the market. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to jump right into this, right into my charts and show you exactly what I see, or show you how to exactly understand the story of the market so you can actually capitalize on these late evening pushes. Okay. Hey everyone, Christopher Jackson here, and I'm excited about this upcoming 5-day stock option 101 mastermind. In this mastermind, I'm going to show you everything you need to be successful trading stock options. We're going through everything from A to Z. All right, from A to Z. I'm going to spend personal time with you for 3 hours every single day during this mastermind, and we're going to go into the market. We're going to study the market, and then we're going to actually go into the market and do live trading as well. So it's not just, okay, I'm coaching you off a PowerPoint presentation. No, we're going to coach. Then we're the next day in the morning time, we're actually going to go into the live market and trade. So you're going to be with me almost all day virtually. Okay, so you're going to be with me in the evening time and in the morning time, right? And the reason why I'm doing this is because I understand stock options can be life changing. All right. Now, if anything is worth changing your life, it's worth putting the work into it. So if this is not you, that's someone that's ready to put the work in, don't sign up for the mastermind, because I don't want to waste your time by any means. OK, but if you're ready to take your life or take your trading to the next level, this is a skill set that everyone should have in their toolbox. And I tell everybody, 6 to 12 months of learning how to trade stock options can change your life for good. We have multiple and countless testimonies of people who come into the program, and next thing you know, 7 to 8 months later, they're making $500,000 days consistently. Okay, it's okay to have $1,000 day this day, and then next thing you know, have $1,000 day 6 months from now. Right? Or you losing money. No, we want you to be a consistent trader. So in this 5-day mastermind, I'm gonna hold your hand and walk you through this entire process, and we have it broken down and put in the simplest terms for you so anyone can understand. Okay, so I look forward to having you in this upcoming mastermind. This particular mastermind starts June 26th. Okay, June 26th, this mastermind starts. It's June 26th to the 30th. We have special guests. It's going to be amazing. All right, click the link below to register for this mastermind, and listen, get ready, because this is a life-changing opportunity. All praise to the Most High. All right, everyone, this is SPY. This is SPY. Okay, this is the 15-minute time frame, and on this day, May 5th, it was a perfect example of showing you what some things that happens that you can use to make money on that late day push when it comes to trading stock options. Okay, so first thing first, as you always know, if you've been following me, I always look for my decision-making time. Okay, I always look for my decision-making time. This is where the story begins, all right? And as you can see right here, that 9 EMA and the 21 EMA right here are right beside each other, all right? They're right beside each other right here. So that's the beginning of the story for me, all right? Because I have to understand, where did the story start at? Like, if you're in a relationship, how did you guys meet? That's very important when it comes to your relationship, right? So boom, right here, we see it's decision-making time, decision-making time, decision-making time. The green line starts to going up, going up, going up. So we have a jagged edge, right? Meet me at the altar in your white dress. If you don't know what I'm saying right now, just go back and look at some of my previous videos and you have a good understanding of it, all right? So boom, it ran away and it came back to the 9 EMA. And then as the market opened right here, we had a big push up on the 15-minute time frame, which is a great sign because we broke above our R2 pivot. Okay, this is our R2 pivot right here. We broke above that level. So now, after we broke above that level, this is where the story started getting interesting. Okay, we're moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up. Now, boom, right here is where you start to focus in at. Okay, start focusing in right here. Throughout this day, at this time period, this is like a 10 o'clock time period right here, the market did something that gives you a signal that, hey, this market is going to go up in a couple of hours. We start to come back to the 9 EMA on the 15-minute time frame. We're coming back to the 9 EMA on the 15-minute time frame, right? The 9 EMA is this green line. We're coming back to the owner. For example, if you're walking a dog in the park, if the candlesticks are the dogs, it ran away, and you are the 9 EMA, the owner, As long as the candlesticks are far away from this 9 EMA, it has to come back. So as long as your dog is far away from you while you're walking in the park, you're gonna pull your dog back. So what happened is the owner start pulling the dog back to this owner. The owner starts pulling the dog back to them. The candlesticks start coming back to the 9 EMA. But what happened, it took a long time. Each candlestick is 15 minutes worth of time, price action. So 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, an hour, 15, 30, 45, 2 hours, right? 15, 2 hours and 30 minutes, the stock was coming back to the owner. But what you want to focus on, when the stock was coming back to the owner, it wasn't a strong pullback. It was a gradual pullback back to this 9 EMA. And what happened is very important. The candlesticks always stayed above the 9 EMA. Okay, it stayed above the 9 EMA and basically closed above the 9 EMA. That's very important for you to identify. When you have 2 hours of consolidation in one particular area, it's important to identify that the stock market, that the actual stock or the candlesticks are closing above the 9 EMA and they're staying above the 9 EMA, okay? Staying above the 9 EMA. And what you can do here, what I love to do, I like to put out, whenever I see consolidation, I like to put my stocks inside of a box. Boom. That's a support level right there. Come right here. Boom, support level. So you can see it's up, down, down, broke through and pushed right back up. This push back up right here was the game changer. Okay, and I'm gonna break it down on the 5-minute time frame for you too, so you can see it a little bit different. Take a look at this right here. 5-minute time frame. Okay, so right here on the 5-minute time frame, look what happened. That 10:30 time frame came about, and the stock just traded inside of this box we drew. Traded inside of this box we drew. Traded inside of this box we drew. Trading inside of this box we drew. And it's right here on the 5-minute around the 9 EMA. Okay? But look what happened around 12:45, 1 o'clock time. It broke through. It broke through. But as soon as it broke through, it started to push back up the next 5-minute candlestick. Right there is a sign for you to get into this trade. Okay, right there is a sign for you to get into this trade, because what happened is the sellers pushed down, boom, 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 right here. It was a quick liquidity grab where basically some stop losses down here that the market wanted to grab. They grabbed these stop losses and boom, the market started to push up. Right now I'm on the 5-minute time frame, everybody, okay? 5-minute time frame. The market started to push up and look what it did. It pushed up and boom, 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 ran all the way up. Now let's go back to the 15-minute time frame right quick so you can see it there as well. Right here. This is how it looks on the 15-minute time frame. That push down right here. Look at this push down. Boom. Strong push down right here. The buyers bought it right back up right here and boom, took off. When we broke above this high right here, this top resistance level, we broke above that high, came back and retested, and a nice $2, $3 move up right here as well. Okay. So what you want to look for is this. You want to look for, understand what the story was there. We had a decision-making time. It pushed up, pushed up, pushed up, and then we had 2 hours of consolidation back to this 9 EMA. Whenever you see more than an hour of consolidation, more than an hour, 30 minutes consolidation, and the market does not push down, it's just gradually coming back, that's a sign that, hey, the market may be going up. And then this move right here, when we push down right here, and then immediately we push right back up, that's your sign to get into the market, because we're about to go on that late evening run. Hour and 30-minute run, 2-hour run where you can just make plenty of money all the way up here. Okay, all the way up there. All right. So everybody, that's what you can look for when it's comes to trading stock options, and you're looking for that late evening rush. Okay, late evening push. Seeing those small things right there, strong push up. Coming back to the owner for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, but it won't fall down. It's just kind of just steady coming back to the owner. Then you see a small push down, and as soon as it pushes down, it pushes right back up. that's an indication of saying, okay, boom, let me get into this market, get a $2, $3 run up, get out this market, make $1,000 some odd dollars, more than that, whatever you invest, and you can make money in the stock market just by identifying those small things. Okay, so stay around, everybody. Subscribe and like. We have more videos like this. Also, June 26th, we have our next 5-day stock option 101 mastermind. Also, every Sunday I do a free webinar. In addition to that, every Wednesday for the most part, I trade live right here on my YouTube channel, so you guys can see me trade in the real market, and the things that I'm talking about, show it to you in the real market. Okay, everybody, you have a good one. All praise to the Most High.